So for this first problem, I first start with my parentheses. So I do inside the parentheses, I got exponents and I have multiplication, so I do the exponents first. I'm going to leave everything else for now, just to literally show step by step every piece. Now, still have parentheses, and inside parentheses, I have multiplication. So now I'm going to do the multiplication. That gets me to 24. Now I'll look and say I still have those parentheses, so I'm going to do my subtraction. This gives me -8. Now I have an exponent here, so that's 36. Now I can work multiplication division left to right. So this is the first that shows up, so that's -40. And I'm still going to be looking for my multiplication division, so here's division. So that's 4. And now I'm just going to add left to right, so this gives me -36. And that gives me -39. Now I can move to the other problem. Part B here, so I've got multiplication. I can solve this two different ways. First, I could multiply across and get rather large numbers, especially in my denominator, because 25 times 27 would give me, like this would give me 90 over 675. And then I could simplify this. I'd say let's divide by 5 over 5. I'm going to divide both numerator and denominator by 5s. And this would give me 18 over 135. And I can see that should be divisible again. I could divide these both by 3. And that's going to give me 6 over 45. And I could again divide by 3. Which would give me 2 over 15. So I can go through and I can just keep going over and over and over again, and that's perfectly fine to do. Or I could look at my initial problem and I could say, well, what can I simplify? If I look, I could pull a 9 out of both of these terms. And this would, 9 divided by 9 is 1, 27 divided by 9 is 3. I can then look at the 25 and the 10. 25 and 10 both are divisible by 5. That gives me 2. And 25 divided by 2 is 5. So really what I could be looking at is 1/5 times 2/3. And that would give me 2/15. So it's a little bit faster way to simplify this problem. It's your choice though. And the final one here. So now I want to go through and I'm going to, wherever there's an x, I'm going to substitute in the value of 10. Wherever there's a y, I'll substitute in the value of 11. So this would be 3 times 10 over 2 times 11 plus 4. So I follow my order of operations still. This would give me 30 over 2 times 11 plus 4, which will give me 30 over 22 plus 4, which will give me, I'm just going to bring it up to the top here, 30 over 26. And now I want to simplify, and I can divide both terms by 2, and this will get me 15 over 13.